The next step in entering information for our IET scenario is entering the slope practice information. So we're going to click the arrow to expand the slope practice section of the IET interface. The default slope has one segment and steepness determined by the soil component from the representative slope and length from NASA's. The planner can add segments in the slope topography box or select from the contouring, strips, barriers, or diversion terrace sediment basin drop-downs. In this case, we're going to change the steepness and length for the segment to what was determined in the field. Since the representative soil was the Arc Sabin 7207, and NASA's has that soil as a representative slope of 8%, 130-foot slope length. We actually went out there and shot slopes between the terraces and determined that the average slope steepness was 4%, so we'll change that to 4%, and the length between the terraces was 100 feet. So we'll edit those. Also, we determined, although they're not on true contouring, the rows are about an absolute row grade of 1% slope, so we're going to choose that for the contouring. We now have the information for the slope, steepness, and length and contouring entered into the scenario. Note that if you change the slope length, you need to go back to the Crops and Operations pane and change the length there also, or you will get a warning message. So we'll go back to the Crops Operations pane and change the slope length to match what we entered in the slope practice pane.